started out with some water damage inside that they noticed. Came out and noticed that their meter was falling away from the wall. We suspected that the conduit had pulled down in the trench, pulled things, because that's a pretty standard thing. But it wasn't that. When we pulled it apart, we saw that the 2x4s that were spaced out to support the meter had been just simply nailed into the home. Okay. Just ran up their yard. Okay, the situation we have here is the meter has pulled away from the wall, and we've, as you can see here, we've been getting water damage. Get this out of our way for now. Now, we just had the power company here. They've disconnected and they pulled the line back a bit. Make life easier for us. Now what I've got to do is remove our lines. We've got to remove the meter, clear it, find out how bad the damage is behind it, and then reinstall everything correctly again. So it's putting undue stress on the wiring back behind. Basically all the mounts have failed. We suspected the meter base had dropped a little bit, but it really doesn't look like that. It looks like it was just a failure of their mounts behind, and the rotting wood that created the problem. One thing you always check is the condition of the meter. Make sure that the meter is in good condition. Check all the connections, check everything. Check what they've installed originally, how they did it. So we're disconnecting and cleaning all of these off. So otherwise that Noax gets everywhere, gets in the clothes, doesn't like to come out easily. I kind of feel like at times I should do a tool review, because I get frustrated with some of these tools. This one with the buttons underneath basically kind of changes its setting by itself quite often. Is that it? That looks like that's it. What are we attached to? We've got an interesting lack of ground. That is interesting. Okay. It up so that we can get some new sealant in here out of this tar paper. This is why we put something over it to protect it. All that crap would have gone down and damaged our wires. We've got a little bit of a lip edge right here on top. We can get underneath and protect the rest of this. We're gonna cut some tar paper, well, some roofing membrane underlayment, and we're gonna piece it underneath this, and we're gonna shingle it down so that no matter what gets behind here is gonna shed down and shed off. And then we're gonna see about filling these up with something. We've got a little bit of water damage, but it's dry.
Yeah.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, great.
it's really not a ton. So this is really your call on this.
Okay.
I'm not seeing any swelling in
Yeah.
it, but there is water damage. It soaked into it and some went in. That's where your floor joist is right there. So really the reason we ended up with this problem is this. They were nailed in.
Oh, okay.
They weren't screwed in.
Oh, brother.
And
so they just
the weight of the rock, everything just pulled out.
Oh, brother.
It was just
That's dumb.
crap.
Yeah.
It was just crappy craftsmanship.
Yeah, that's dumb.
So what I'm gonna do then, if you're good at this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide in this, see this stuff? A little bit better quality. It's tacky. I love this stuff.
Great.
So we're gonna slide this in and we're gonna keep layering it up and shed everything away is the plan.
Okay.
And there'll be multiple layers on it.
Okay.
And so I can get it in behind and then we'll get it underneath this one here.
Okay.
When you come across, you can see this right here.
Yeah.
These 4 layers right here came right through the middle.
Uh-huh.
And they were just catching
reverse
everything,
order.
keeping it in. And
Okay.
you know, and then we had these 2 open holes here.
Right.
So we're gonna actually shed and have stuff over top so it'll shed away from it.
Perfect.
You'll still have, you know, the holes there so that we can move the wires and conductors back and forth a little bit.
Okay.
And then we'll try to seal it from below as well with some mastic I've got over here. But what I'm gonna do is that membrane's gonna come down and roll over top of it and roll to the side so that we get it away. It's hard to handle this stuff that flies around everywhere. Get our bit ready so that if we need to drill some more screws, holes through, won't be a big deal. So now all I'm doing from behind is pushing these conductors back into their holes. Okay, time for cleanup.